Omukyala ekintu kye yakoze wabanga yakikoze lwa ssente, amanyi nti ssente zikola ki, ssente zimala ne ziggwawo, naye yo famire gy'olese wano yo tekyuka.
Yes, I was lying and I know that I did a mistake.
You did a mistake?
Yeah, I did a mistake. Very big mistake. Yeah.
Then what forced you to come out and clear the air?
Whatever forced me here, it's that, you know, first of all, it was affecting me mentally, physically, emotionally. Yeah, my family, my friends, my fiancé, my in-laws and everyone else, like, they just couldn't believe in me doing such. Even people at my elders in the village back home in Siolo, which is in Kenya, they just couldn't, like, they never expected that from me. Yeah, they couldn't believe. So I just had to step out. I just had to step out and tell the truth. Yeah.
So you have a fiancé?
Yeah, I have a fiancé.
Are you married?
Yes. Not officially married, but we are separated. We are always on and off, but I have a man, yes.
You have a man?
Yes, I have a man.
Remember last time asking you about, is this a stunt? You said no.
Of course, remember, whatever you're acting, you have to act it well. And he told me to not shame him. He told me to do for him. And you know, I had nowhere to go back. I was already at the office. Yes.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.